Yeah, so let us start with the next topic, that is software process. So as we say, software process is nothing but a collection of different activities, different tasks that has to be carried out for developing a given software. So ऐसा कुछ नहीं that it is a compulsory steps to be followed, but rather it is a kind of a framework or say a reference which is given and you can follow that or something like that that will help to develop a good software. So let us see a formal definition of what is a software process. A software process is nothing but a framework for the activities. As I said, it is just a reference कि एक approach दिया है, you can follow that or you can make some changes and try to follow that. So it consists of different activities, actions and tasks that are required to build a high quality software. So these activities carried out, these tasks carried out are nothing but said to be the engineering principles of the software. So when we say software is engineered, it means you are carrying out different tasks or say different activities for developing or building a good quality software. Next is the capability maturity model. Now this CMM is very important in the software engineering or say software process because the CMM tells you whether you are on the path of developing a good quality software or not. So there are 5 CMM levels. Higher the level, better the software development, or say better the software quality developed state. So these levels are very important. Any software model you use, the CMM level has to be, like compared to it. That using this model, what are the levels achieved? Using XYZ different model, what are the levels achieved? So let us go through the CMM levels first. The first level is initial. At this stage, because the stage itself says that initial, in the sense all the requirement has to be gathered, their data has to be collected. Things are very messy and say very chaotic. See, it is a stage where processes are unpredictable, poorly controlled and reactive. मतलब कुछ समझ में नहीं आता, चारों बाजू things are at hand and you have no clue of what has to be done. These are the requirements, this is the budget, this is the time we are having, so how we will handle it. All these processes at the first stage. Next is the repeatable stage. In this, the processes are planned, documented, performed, monitored, and controlled at the project level. So repeatable in the sense, in this case, what you do, you start organizing things one by one. Okay, first you will document that if there are 5 different models available for developing a given software, so which model will be the best, which model will take how much time, what are its benefits, what cost it is, how expensive it is rather. So ये सब चीजें जब हम monitor करके perform करके जब रखते हैं, that is where you reach the CMM level 2. The third level of CMM is defined. In this case, you have properly understood the requirements, you have properly got the idea of what model has to be used, and then you start implementing process. You know what tools you will be requiring. So this is the defined stage, which is mostly proactive. Proactive in the sense that you have a planned approach for developing that software. The next stage is the managed or say quantitatively managed state. Over here, these are the process of control using statistical and other quantitative techniques. यानी यहाँ पे जो भी प्रोसेसेस चालू है सॉफ्टवेयर को डेवलप करने के लिए, हम पिछले सारे स्टेजेस के या पिछले सारे सिमिलर प्रोजेक्ट्स के स्टैट्स लेते हैं. लाइक okay, if it is taking so much of time, whether the budget will be extended, whether the quality will be affected, do we require more people or team, will the software be delivered in time. ये सब चीजें जो होता है वो ES लेवल पे मैनेज हो जाता है. Next is optimizing. Optimizing is continuously improving the performance or say maintaining that software. Once you have created a software, once you have developed it, once you have delivered it, then the next thing you have to make sure is कि इसमें कुछ भी changes आता है, client का requirements कुछ change हो रहा है, or say they are asking for an add-ons to it. So it should be flexible enough that maintaining the given quality, you are able to accommodate that changes. So at this stage, that is optimizing stage, the process performance continuously improves through incremental and innovative technological improvements. So these are the 5 CMM levels. Here are one by one. As I said, initial, it is inconsistent state and occasionally even chaotic. So you have to define this properly. You have to make sure you have a note of everything. Next is repeatable. This is the basic and consistent project management process. As I said, that you work on schedule, you track cost, you make the functionality sure, you decide what models to be used, what data exactly to be gathered more. Next is the define stage. As also mentioned before, that define stages, you have an exact idea of what has to be done and how it has to be done. Next is managed or say quantitatively managed, where you have effective control of the software developing process. That you have set a goal and you know how to reach that goal. And the last level is optimizing. That is continuously improving the performance of the software. At this level, changes to the processes are to improve the performance of the software and at the same time maintaining statistical probability to achieve established quantitative process improvements. Yani, you have to make sure that changes are accommodated, plus you have maintained the quality of the software, plus the cost is also not increasing that much. In the sense, it should be very economical. So this was all about the CMM. In the next lecture, we'll see what is the generic process models. Next lecture will be comparing two different models, process models. First is generic and second is prescriptive process models, and we'll study that in detail. Till then, please make sure you go through the videos, especially this CMM levels. It is the most important topics. If any doubts, in case of any confusions, please let me know. Thank you.